Today we're going to learn how to do the expansion of this type of expressions without the need of doing the full expansion. We just need to use a single formula and that's it. So let's get started. For this first example, we have a binomial which is cubic. We could think that we should multiply 3 binomials. This will end up in 8 multiplication and after that a reduction by using like terms. But instead of doing that, we can just simply apply the formula for the special binomial product. That formula is very simple and is the only thing that you need to remind now. If we do that, we can just apply the formula and reduce the result. Let's try to do this, okay? If we simply apply the formula that is written over here, we can just solve this product very easily. If we observe, we have A and B, that will be A and B. This is A and this is B. And then we just need to apply the formula here. We have A cubic, that is 5x cubic, plus 3 times A squared, that is 5x squared B. In this case, B is minus 2y squared. Minus 2y squared. And this plus 3 times the first term, that is 5x b squared, that we say it is minus 2y squared. And this is squared. And finally, plus b cubic. Now, we need to reduce this expression by using the law of exponents and the rule of signs. In the first term, we have 5x, which is cubic. All the thing is cubic. This means that the cubic should be applied to the 5 and to the x. In this case, we have 5 cubic, x cubic. This is the first term. Now, the second term, we have plus 3 that multiplies 5x and the whole thing is square. The square, again, the 2 should be applied to the 5 and to the x. So we have here 5 squared, x squared. And then we have minus 2y squared, okay? So let's continue with the next term here. We have 3 that multiplies 5x, and that multiplies this term here, or this factor that is, in fact, is a factor because it's multiplying the other things here. And this is a square. Again, this square should be applied to the minus 2 and to the y square. These two, if we apply 2, or this is power 2 to the minus 2, this is minus 2 squared. That ends up in 4. Minus 2 by minus 2 is 4. And then we have y squared power 2 is y power 4. Then we have the last term, minus 2y squared cubic. In this case, the cubic should also apply to the minus 2 and to the y squared. And here, from the rule of sign, we can say that minus 2 cubic is minus 8. Why? Well, recall, minus 2 cubic should be, or it is, minus 2 by minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2 is 4 positive. And this 4 positive by minus 2 will be minus 8. So this is minus 8. And then we have y squared, and y squared cubic, this is 2 by 3, 6. So y power 6. If we write this expression over here, we can just write here 5 cubic, it is 5 by 5, 25, by 5, 125, x cubic. And then we have, if we follow the rule of signs, plus by plus, plus by minus, minus. And then 3 by 25 by minus 2, or by 2 in this case, because we have already written here the negative, okay? So this is 150. X squared, y squared. The next one, positive by positive by positive. This is positive. 3 by 5 by 4. This is 60. 60 x y power 4. And the last term that we have already written here, 8y power 6. So this is the result for this expression. If you have learned something, or if you have enjoyed to see this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.